Okay, so I took the old screws out, and the Grub screws worked. They fit, but one of these shafts, I don't know if it's not seated in right. It's a little taller than the others, but it works. So I guess I just hang on to it. Hopefully it doesn't break, but it looks like it's working. Again, don't know why these other screws were in there, other than, like we said, I was guessing the other screws came out. They didn't figure out what kind of replacement screws to go in there. So the replacement screws are they're Grub screws. At least I believe that's the term. They're M3 threads, 6mm length. Bought them on Amazon. So we'll see how this little adventure goes with this used Epiphone Firebird studio guitar. And as you can see, we got the gold label EMG there, which EMG told me that means it's an Alnico active pickup. And then this would be a ceramic. So their best guess, just by what I was telling them, by these labels, it's probably an 81 and an 85. I don't know which one is which, but I believe that's what they said. Probably the 81 in the neck and the 85 in the bridge. So thanks for watching. Write in the comments if you happen to know more about what I'm telling you here. Yeah, I don't claim to know a lot. I'm just trying to figure a couple things out here. Sometimes I get it right. Sometimes I do not. So have a great one. Peace and love to y'all. Goodbye.